Let's go back to the beginning. So the origin of We Feed Raw is really quite simple and pure. It was born out of a dedication to the well-being of dogs and the desire to feed those dogs the healthiest diet possible. This company was founded by my amazing sister, Alyssa. Alyssa was a dog lover from childhood. We grew up with parents who were always rescuing animals, so treating animals well was not only instilled in us from a very young age, I think it's also part of our DNA. So the light bulb moment for this company was in 2009 when Alyssa switched her own rescues from a highly processed kibble diet to a fresh, raw, biologically appropriate one and immediately saw the benefits. After becoming an expert at making her own dogs raw meals, she started making raw meals for her friends' dogs and then friends of friends' dogs, and the business just grew organically from there. Alyssa's fiance, Rich, was also a co-founder. As a former chef, he was really good at the production side of things, and my sister handled the business side. Together, they were just this really great team, and they delivered fresh, raw food door to door in Austin, Texas, where they lived at the time. About 4 years later, in 2013, the company was still small, but growing steadily and keeping Alyssa and Rich very busy. At the same time, though, Alyssa was given a shocking diagnosis: terminal cancer at 35 years old. In 2014, a little over a year after her diagnosis, Alyssa passed away at 36. Her love for dogs in this business never wavered. In fact, she worked on this company until the last week of her life. Immediately after her death, despite being in the most acute stages of grief, my family rallied together to keep the business going, to keep Alyssa's vision and legacy alive. Since Alyssa's death to today, We Feed Raw has grown from something that was very niche to a company that has made raw feeding accessible to a much broader audience. We're doing this by creating easy-to-serve, customized meal plans, using safe methods, working with a PhD nutritionist, and increasing our distribution network so that we can reach 98% of the country with 1- and 2-day transit times. Today, We Feed Raw delivers complete and balanced raw meals to dogs all over the country. Quality and safety are our very top priorities. Our food is sourced from USDA human-grade meats from farms we trust in the USA and New Zealand, and we produce in a USDA certified facility. Every day I'm inspired by my sister's life and by the raw feeding community. The pet parents who choose a raw diet for their dogs are, in my opinion, some of the best pet parents out there. And the most rewarding part of this business is seeing the transformations of dogs going from eating a highly processed dry diet to a biologically appropriate one. We see senior dogs thriving and not just surviving. We see dogs recovering from debilitating allergies, joint issues, skin issues, digestive issues. It's truly amazing how much you can improve a dog's quality of life when you simply feed them what they are designed to eat. I know my sister would be so proud to see where We Feed Raw is today. Her lifelong, unshakable commitment to the well-being of dogs inspires me to make this company the best it can be.